So glad to be back out here filming again. This water feels amazing. Alrighty, we got some fish bites on there. Cast it out and see what we can get. Good old pompano rig. That's close up. We'll see what we do with that. We'll leave that one by the shore. Just get everybody away from me today. I love people, but they tend not to care who's fishing. God. Alrighty, we got a whiting. Beautiful, beautiful whiting. We're gonna throw this one back though, because he's a little small, and I don't want to take it if I ain't gonna eat it. So. Yeah, beautiful fish. I love whiting. Yes. Trying to deal with these people coming up on me. God, man, I hope they stay away. I walked a long ways to get away from everybody. I couldn't even feel that fish on here because of the weight, man. Rough surf, and it's cutting hard to the left, so I'm trying to get my gear in front of me and keep it there. All right. Got cut bait, shrimp flavored fish bite, and a sand flea. 3 hooks on one setup. It's kind of comical. We're gonna see if we can catch us a fish. We had one whiting, so let's see what we can get. Walk out here a little bit. Maintaining 4 rods with a tide like this or a surf like this. That rain all up in the distance. That looks gnarly over there. That looking nasty, Sean. Man, it's been a good day. I'm just hoping that doesn't come here, because I do not need nothing to do with that. That's cut bait. I'm done with cut bait. I don't think they're hitting the cut bait. So we're gonna try a sand flea. Wasn't able to catch sand fleas, I'd be rich. God, I can't ever get that. even remotely where I want it. Morning so far. Been here about an hour. No. How y'all doing? Alright, come on. Running out of time, running out of time. Look at that cloud though. Man, it can't get no nicer, dude. You got the Gulf, the waves, fishing, that dark gray background. Then you look behind you. It's like Lake Michigan, and it actually gets deep. Look at that, up to my knees, up to my knees. Current's ripping them to the right. There's a sandbar out there, but there ain't no way I'm gonna get out there to that sandbar. It's too far out. gonna be one of them things, man. You got time against me, you got bait against me. So I appreciate you guys watching.